Hey everyone, welcome back! Today, I'm going to show you how to create amazing animated cartoon videos, just like this one, using the power of AI. Whether you're looking to entertain, educate, or simply get creative, AI can handle most of the heavy lifting for you. Let's dive right in. Cartoon videos are super popular, especially with kids. They're fun, educational, and can generate millions of views on YouTube. But did you know you don't need expensive tools or animation skills to create them? Everything, yes, the script, voiceovers, characters, can be made using AI. First, let's create a script. Don't have one? No problem. I use a tool called Gravity Write. Just type in your topic, choose a theme, select your audience, and voila, your script is ready. You can even specify the number of characters and the length of the video. Easy, right? Now that we have a script, let's generate voiceovers for our characters. I use an AI tool called 11 Labs. You can pick different voices for each character. Just paste in the dialogue, choose a voice, and the tool will generate high-quality audio in seconds. Next, it's time to create the stars of your cartoon. With AI tools, there's no need for animation skills. Just select your character design, upload the audio, and you'll have a fully animated character ready to go. I use a tool that even lets you adjust backgrounds and movements. For the backgrounds, I use Canva to create animated scenes. Just select the elements, animate them, and set them as your background. You can even add trees, skies, or magical effects to match your story. Finally, let's put everything together. For this, I use CapCut, an online video editor. You can drag and drop your animated characters onto the background, remove any unwanted elements, and sync the voiceovers perfectly. And there you have it. In just 5 simple steps, you've created a professional animated cartoon video using AI. Share it online and watch the magic happen. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI-powered creative tutorials. Also, check out the links below for the tools we used today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.